What's up, everybody? Tonight we're gonna make a kale and strawberry salad. So, cheers and let's cook. I'm gonna start by prepping my kale. For that, I'm just gonna take each leaf and pull it off that thick stem in the center. And just discard that stem. It runs through that. I'm gonna do all these guys, but just kind of fold that up, cut it one more time, and then cut that into about 1/4 inch strips. Now I'm going to do enough to where I got about 2 cups of kale. And then we'll go into a bowl. Next up, I'm going to cut the top off and quarter about 8 to 10 strawberries. Throw those into my bowl, my kale. And we'll finish up our knife work by just shaving a red onion nice and thin. That should probably be plenty of onion. I'm going to go into my bowl with about 3/4 of that and just save some of it to top it with later. Set that aside. All of our knife work is done, so now I'm going to go into my bowl with about 1.5 cups of spring mix. Got some feta cheese here. Going with about 1/2 cup of feta cheese. Some chopped walnuts. You can do about 1/4 cup chopped walnut. Then I have some homemade balsamic vinaigrette, and that's what I'm going to use to dress it. You could use any vinaigrette you want. If you'd like to make your own balsamic vinaigrette, I will leave a link at the end of this video for that recipe. Just drizzle on some of that. Now we'll give her a toss. You got that all tossed up, and I just transferred it to a serving bowl. Now, just to make it a little extra pretty, go in with a little more of that feta cheese. Some more sliced up strawberries. More of those chopped walnuts. A little more of that shaved red onion. And that is gorgeous. And we are ready to eat. Guys, we have a stunning salad here. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. I'll also leave a link to the balsamic vinegar right in the corner. You can also click that little picture of me to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.